Hey guys, it's Anthony, your Subaru Service. I got Dave's truck here. Pulling it in, it's a hot no start. So I'm go ahead and hook it up to the computer. It is 7230 is the VIN. Got ABS light on, check engine light on. Let's go in here and I'm gonna pull the codes real quick. Let's see what all we got on the codes. I did notice under the hood, we do have the wrong oil filter cap. That's gonna be number one. Wrong oil filter cap. It is all cleaned up. Cold started okay. Just took a long time to start. So valve covers, I'm assuming if we do have to take them off, it'll just be dummy plug. Hopefully it's not STC fitting or anything like that, so we don't have to go too far in. But we got transfer case. That's all different. Let's go down here. Glow plug control module. Communication fault. ABS has failed, but that's glow plug control module. Generally, if you get the 683, it's going to be a glow plug control module. But let's clear it out and see what's up with the ABS. Not getting any. Let's go ahead and clear it. I'll be right back. Okay, ABS light will come on from low voltage, but this, I don't think that was it. We've got a ABS issue. Hopefully we don't need to replace any ABS module or anything like that, but that's pretty rare. They're generally pretty resilient. But we do have a ABS brake bleed, service bleed will not complete, so there's no communication between the ABS module and the PCM. We'll get to that in a minute though. It's been warming up here. Looks like it probably could use a thermostat. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off here real quick, and let's make sure that it is high pressure oil that is the hot no start. That's actually first thing I'll do is I'll go to reverse. We're looking for 84%. That's pretty good. All right, here we go. Shut it off. Turn it back on to see if it bled all the way to 0. Yeah, ICP volts is okay. Yep, it is ICP. Might just be a dummy plug. Who knows? But at least it is ICP. That is the reason for the no start. So we'll go ahead and I'm gonna shut her down and get in there and get it air tested right now. But I'll go ahead and download this and get it going. We'll see how, I don't know how much that's gonna heat up. Might wind up needing, oh yeah, I guess. I've seen them colder than that, but yeah, it just dropped. So it needs a thermostat. Let's see, put a thermostat in. I'm gonna do a little more digging on that ABS light. But the other light was a glow plug control module. So we are going to be looking for a glow plug control module. Possibly the 683 that I cleared. Glow plug. But we might have something unplugged under there. That's what, who knows, maybe one of the PCM connectors or something. I don't know. We're gonna dig underneath it and check it out, but we're gonna get that oil filter changed as well. But we definitely got a high pressure oil issue though. All right, have a good day, guys.